Welcome to the Intermatic ET90000 installation video. You already know the ET90000 can do 4,000 things at once, but did you know how easy it is to mount the unit? It's the fastest 3 minutes in installation. Before you begin, be sure to have a drill, number 10 screws, a pencil, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a level. It doesn't take much to mount the ET90000 enclosure. First, remove the 4 bracket screws from the back of the enclosure. Next, install the mounting brackets. Secure with the screws that were previously removed. Now that the top and bottom mounting brackets have been installed, place the enclosure in the mounting area. Mark the keyhole slots at the top of the bracket. And then drill your holes. Insert the screws halfway into the holes. Then hang the enclosure over the screws. Make sure the enclosure is level. And then tighten your screws. Mark the 2 round holes on your bottom bracket. Drill your holes and insert the screws. That's all it takes to mount the enclosure. Please refer to the wiring video to complete the next step towards doing 4,000 things at once.